Hello there, ako si Binibining Marilyn or you can call me Teacher Lynn. I am from the Philippines at ako ang inyong magiging guro sa wikang Tagalog. I am a licensed professional teacher with 1 year of teaching experience in a private school. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I have a TFL certificate. As a teacher, I truly believe that learning should be fun, meaningful, and personalized. My teaching experience is matuto sa sariling paraan, sa sariling bilis. I make sure that each lesson fits to your needs, whether you are a beginner, advanced learner, or someone who would love to embrace Filipino culture. With me, we will learn practical Tagalog for everyday use and we will explore Filipino values and gaining confidence in speaking and understanding the language. We will use interactive lessons, real-life conversations, and of course, a lot of encouragements. Kung kaya gusto mong matuto magsalita ng wikang Tagalog, book a trial class with me. Let's start your Tagalog journey. Sama-sama tayong matuto. Maraming salamat at mabuhay. See you soon!